It's November 4, 2025. We are in the Bitcoin weekly time frame, and we are going to do a macro charting. When you do a macro charting, kailangan mo nasa mataas na time frame ka. And you start from the bear market bottom going to the current top. So ito yung previous na bull run. This was March, bear market low, for 4,000 to 5,000 US dollars. This is the all-time high of the previous bull market. This is 69,100, November 9 of 2021. And this is the bear market low, 15,000 US dollars, approximately November 9 of 2022. Exactly 1 year after ng top. Okay? And this is an 85% drop from the top. See? Top 79%, 85%. And before nag-create ng all-time high, meron tayong first high and nagkaroon ng retracement yan to 618 or golden pocket. 61865, the golden pocket. 3 consecutive months yan. Although nasa weekly time frame tayo, you can check the monthly time frame. For 3 consecutive months, nag-touch ang candle sa golden pocket bago nag-pump at nag-create ng bagong high na 69,000. And then, nung natapos na yung bull market, it dropped. Normally, it's 79%, as I always tell people. Pero iba na ngayon. Nag-drop na siya hanggang 85%, which is very evident. Okay? So, if this is the current bottom, you have to trace this from the bottom going to the current top, which is approximately 126,000. Okay. Lagyan nyo yan ng mark. Horizontal line. Dahil yan mag-serve as support and resistance sa higher time frame para alam nyo kung saan gumagalaw ang market. Lalagyan ko yan hanggang dito muna. Masyado na yan malalim. Okay? So right now, nakikita ninyo na ang candles natin is in between here, the top going to the bottom. So dito muna gagalaw yung market. Na-stop dito, umakyat, na-reject. So ang target niya after ng rejection is bumalik dito. Okay? So dito, dalawa yung pwedeng mangyari. It's either mag-break ito at bumaba at targetin to, or magkaroon ng bounce here, going back to the top. Pwede niyang i-break to at mag-create ng bagong high, or mag-push ulit pababa. Nagigets ba natin? So right now guys, itong price na to, malaking range to. Napakalaki ng range ito. This is approximately 126,000 and this is 100,000. Yan yung reason kung bakit ako naka-short. Kasi mas lamang ang short dahil nagkaroon tayo ng rejection dito and the candles are going down. So, yung swing trade ko is short position yun. Kasi ang nakikita kong target ito, yung mas malaking probability is abutin ito, hindi mag-create ng bagong top. Nagets ba natin? So, yun yun. So, right now, nandiyan din ang 50 exponential moving average and most likely, yan yung tatargetin niya. And that is approximately 100 to 101,000. Okay? So, dyan muna tayo mag-focus in between these levels.